Hello students, welcome back and a warm welcome to all of you. In previous lecture we have studied what is the water absorption and the role of water in a plant. In this lecture we are going to see mechanism of water absorption. Let's see before the seeing that once again we see the definition of water absorption. Absorption of water, it is nothing but the uptake of water by the plant from soil to root, root to xylem, and the xylem to the leaf. That movement, that is known as a water absorption. Water is a gold. Water is a gold in the life of a plant. Water absorbed from the soil through the root here. That are the major points of a water absorption. Then see the site of water absorption. Most of students giving the answer, root are the important part that absorbing water, but that answer is totally wrong. The site of water absorption in a root here, there are the root here zone below the maturation zone and the upper side of a zone of elongation. There are the root here are present. That type of a zone, it is known as a site of a water absorption. Let's see mechanism of water absorption. There are two type of mechanism, active and the passive, but pathway of active as well as passive absorption is the same. Those screen are visible to you. In that screen we can see the pathway of water absorption. First, soil water contact with the root here, that absorbed by the root here by the any mechanism, that not matter, but water can absorb by the root here. Then it comes into vacuoles, and vacuoles it comes into the epiblema or epidermis. After the epidermis it's come in the cortical cell. After the cortical cell, near there is the endodermal cell. Below that the endodermal cell, passage cell are present. Water enter passage cell, then enter into phloem, and finally enters into the xylem. That type of pathway of a water absorption will be take place. Let's see soil, root here, epidermis, cortex, endodermis, pericycle, and the root xylem. And from root xylem, water will be transported. Let's see mechanism. There are the two mechanism of water absorption, active as well as a passive absorption. In many plant, water absorbed by the utilizing metabolic energy, that are the ATP. That are the first definition according to the use of energy. The water absorption done with the help of using energy, that are the ATP. And the second definition, the water absorption by the actively root hair cell. That type of absorption, that is known as active absorption. There are two definition arises. One definition arises due water absorption due to the use of energy, that are the ATP. And second definition, water absorption done with the help of actively root hair cell are actively take a part in a water absorption. There are two types of active absorption, osmotic water potential and the non-osmotic water absorption. Let's see active absorption. The absorption of water by the plant with the help of using of energy, that is known as the active absorption. In the process, root cell actively taking part, that is also known as the active absorption. That point are I have seen. Next, active absorption by the osmotic absorption. There are the word inside meaning are, the water absorption will be take place with the help of osmosis. Okay, that concept can apply to movement of water from one part to another, from another to the another part. Let's intake of water by the root here is using by the osmotic pressure or the osmotic forces. Water absorbed by the activity of root cell, osmotic pressure of root pressure, turgor pressure, and the DPD are playing the important role. That are the some mechanism, but actual mechanism, that is one most osmotic pressure or the osmosis. Water move from the hypotonic solution to the hypertonic solution. In previous year I have take a concept of a diffusion. In that take a concept of a concentration solution. Hypotonic and hypertonic. Hypotonic means concentrated and the hypertonic means less concentrated. In a soil they are more concentrated, that means in sense of water are more concentrated. In a root cell they are less concentrated, that means soil solution is the hypotonic and the root cell are the hypertonic. Due to that water get entry into root cell from the cortical cell to endodermis and the endodermis to phloem and phloem to the xylem. That manner osmotic water potential same I have explained. According to this theory, the difference between the osmotic pressure of a soil water and the cell sap of a root, that having the difference, due to that difference osmotic pressure of a cell sap root generally higher than the soil water osmotic pressure. Generally what is osmosis? The movement of water from the lower part to the higher part. Same way that concept are here. The osmotic pressure of cell sap root cell is higher than the soil water osmotic pressure. Hence water from the soil it enter into root cell. When root here contact with the water, root cell it act as a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane, it is nothing but it is a membrane that can allow us to transfer only solute molecule. Okay, at a result of a root here completely turgid and the osmotic pressure will be fall down due to the dilution will be increases. Root cell become a more concentrated as compared to the cortical cell. Okay, same manner, same principle of a transport of water root hair cell to the cortical cell or the cortex cell, water will be transferred. The result of this turgor pressure increases root hair cell, osmotic pressure will be decreases due to water will be enter in a inside. Water will be moved from A to G by the same principle. A to G means from soil to the xylem. After the cortical cell, water will enter into endodermal cell into protoxylem via passage cell, and the some water will enter pericycle, and all over concept that are the end with the xylem part. Let's see in figure. First root hair cell, cortex cell, then endodermal, then xylem. Same diagram are given here. Soil solution, epiblema, then cortex, then endodermis, then phloem, and finally xylem. This theory having the objection, the value of root pressure is a very low. When tall tree, osmotic water potential will not work. Some tree having the very tall, due to that there are the principle of water absorption will be not working, because osmosis it is not a fulfill the tall tree, that is water have moved very much distance, but osmosis having the very low value. The root pressure is not universal in all plant. Absorption of water in plant it depends only on a concentration gradient. Absorption of water take even the absence of a root, they play no significant role in a water absorption. That are the objection, that means limitation. Then next is the non-osmotic water absorption. When water move from the soil into root hairs, then on into cortical cell, endodermis, then xylem, and from it goes into the upper part. Such transport done with the help of using energy. Transport pathway is the same, but only one principle that are the different. Water transport with the help of a not a root cell, it transport with the help of ATP or the metabolic energy. That theory are given by the Karmer in 1959. It shows there are no actual mechanism of transporting water, but there are the one mechanism or the closely linked with the water absorption with the respiration. That are the, when respiration is inhibited, then also water absorption also inhibited. When those factor affecting on respiration, those factor also affecting on water absorption. Some poisonous substance which retard the metabolic activity, which also retard the absorption of water. That type of absorption, that is known as a non-osmotic water absorption. That are the water absorption. Are you get water absorption by the active process? There are the two methods. First is the osmotic and the second is the non-osmotic. In osmotic, root hair cell are the active and the water will be movement with the help of a osmosis process A to G. It is depend on the concentration of a solution. And second is the non-osmotic. It is the transport of water is the same, but principle has a change. There is no role of a root cell. Water transport with the help of a metabolic energy. There is no mechanism, but there is a linking mechanism are present. Thank you. Next part that is passive absorption, we see in a next lecture.